Alright guys, in today's video I want to show you Best Western Hotel. It's a Best Western gateway to the Keys in what's the name of this, in Florida City. It's quite nice hotel with some issues which I'm gonna mention later, but it's beautiful located close to Everglades National Park and Key West. Look at this car, they even got a car. Hello Kitty. Hi. Kotek. Jak jesteś sweet. Okay, let's go. Hello, good morning. So many dresses. Yeah, they've got normal breakfast. Coffee. And there is an exit to the pool. Thank you. It's the water worm. It's cool. Yeah, not bad. It's a beautiful day today. Lots of parking spaces. Alright, my room number is 267. So the room is pretty spacious, Quite big room with sofa, table, small TV, clean bed, fridge, microwave. Is there any iron? Small closet, small bathroom. Yeah, it's quite clean. It's not bad. Hair dryer, okay. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna stay here for 2 nights. As I'm gonna stay here for 2 nights, I'm gonna put it at the back of my door. At the front, actually. So guys, if you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright guys, there is few issues in this hotel. So the water is not going down, it's blocked, and that's the shower pressure only. I don't know how to make it stronger. So that's the shower pressure and water starts. So I read some other reviews and other people had the same problems in this hotel, so I think this is quite common. They cannot probably fix it. After 2 hours the water is still there. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to take a shower before the night.